Welcome back to Makeshift Garage. Today, we got to take care of the truck. The 65 Ford, she's in dire need of our help. There's something going on with the brakes. We definitely had a leak. I have a feeling we got leaky wheel cylinders, and it's really not enough to come out and around. It's just kind of inside there, just getting absorbed in all the brake dust. I love this truck. Well, this is the resting place, and we'll take off the tires until we fix it. This is where it's going to sit. I don't think it'll be long. I think we'll whip these tires off, we'll figure out the brakes, we'll go over the whole thing, we'll order the harness, or if we didn't already order it, maybe it's on the way in the mail. We'll get the harness, we'll just rip out all the wiring and just rewire it. Because this truck really deserves to have everything working right, and it doesn't. Intermittently, everything goes on and off and blinks and doesn't work, and the connections are all for crap. Let's get it done right. This truck needs to run. We need this thing. It's a daily. Let's get it going. Hey, today we got to figure out what's going on with this truck. We hit the brakes and both back brakes locked up and it pulled over to the left. What the hell? Hey, if it ain't one thing, it's another, because it's always an automotive roller coaster at Makeshift Garage. Let's see what's going on. What do we got? Oh, one more. I'm getting old. I can't count. And we got one broken one. Guess what? Actually, it wasn't broken. I think we were missing one. Let's see here. These are tricky. There we go. That came right off. All right, let's take a little peek in here. Sometimes if these are no good, what will happen is when you pull the rubber back, oil will start dripping out, and then you know the cylinder's no good. Let's see. I think I'm going to have to get a screwdriver. Oh, she's a little wet. Let's see. Now, you see in there? You see that little wetness in there? That shows me that this thing is starting to leak. Is that our problem? Is that our issue? I don't think so. That's not enough to empty the reservoir. We'll look at this one while we're here. Oh, bone dry. See, that one's bone dry. So let's take a look at the other side. I think we have an issue somewhere. We'll look at the other back side. If it ain't that, we'll hit the front side. There must be something else. Let's go look at the other side. I always like to start them with 1 or 2 turns, man. I've seen guys just smack them on with the gun, you know? And you can do that. You can get away with that. You strip one bolt, you cross-thread one bolt, you'll be miserable. There she is. She's off the ground. All right, let's check it out. All right, this brake is... Oh, I thought it might be a little too adjusted. Oh, come on. Oh, look at that shit coming out of there. There's our issue. See all that pouring out? She's a bad one. Let's look at the back side of it. There's our issue. Yep, the back's same thing. It's all soaking wet in the back. We don't have to look any further. We have some new ones. We bought them anyway, so we might as well put them in. Let's get it done. Bleed it. We'll check the fronts while we're here, because you know what? We could have an issue in the front. She was pulling to the left. I don't think it has too much to do with the back brakes, the way it pulled. It kind of pulled like something was going on in the front. So we've got to take a look at all the brakes while we're here, take care of everything, and then re-bleed everything and make it work. See that? That's all I need is a little bit of room, man. I just need a little bit of room. I probably don't even got to take that one off. I just need a little bit of room, unbolt everything. I could snake this out now. Let's see. Yep, that's all I need. Look at that nasty. Shoo, she nasty. The other side will come right out once we take this off now. So what do I got to get? I think it's a 7/16. Let's see, 1/2 inch maybe? Let me get my tools. Let's see, it is a 1/2 inch, and there we go. You don't want to lose these. They'll never give you new bolts, you know. You're always using the old stuff over. I already hit me head once. I'm trying not to do it again. And it's in the center. Hopefully we got the right one, you know. I do got to take the brake line off. That's a small job, but that's like a 3/8. Maybe it's metric? I don't know how. I don't know why. But let's see. A little rust bust. Look at a little PB blaster in there. This stuff works great. Ooh, she does work. Ooh, that ain't gonna work either. I'm thinking I should cut this and redo it. Just put a new end on it. I think what I'm gonna do is just cut it, grab a new fitting, put it on, flare it, and put it on the new one, because this thing is shot, man. I can't get nothing on it. I can't even get the vice grips on it. I'm gonna need a hacksaw blade. I can't really get in there and spin it, and I don't want to ruin too much of this. I do got some play. Alrighty, here we go. Let's see if we can wiggle, jiggle, wiggle, get the thing out. Huh. Ooh, she rocky. I'll stay to this side and the middle. That way we don't dump the truck on the side. All right, let's see. We got a couple of these, bro. I don't even know where these came from. Bleeders up top. No, bleeders on the bottom, dives off to that side. Boom, I think this is it. My father used to say, I bought the parts, I don't know why the brakes still don't work. Meanwhile, they were in his trunk. Okay. Ooh. Shazam. Let's see. Shazam. Come on, Billy Goat. Let's go. My little bag of tricks. Hopefully I got the right pieces. Because you know what happens. We always do this at nighttime when the auto parts is closed. Most of the time, you got to do it where you are. Oh! All right, let's see if that looks like it. You got to double flare it, so you got to get a first flare on it. Let's see. They sell way better tools than this now. Way better tools. They're so simple and easy. You put them in a vise, but you got to take everything out to do that. This thing is not holding on to it tight like it used to. It's probably losing its grip. It's a little flared. I think I need more than that, though, so I can get a good double flare on it. Let's get it done. Where's me crusher? All right, come on. That's got to have done it. Let's see. Yeah, that looks a lot better. What are you doing? Yo, it's MakeShiftGarage. What are you doing, bro? What are you guys doing, man? MakeShiftGarage. He's always got something broken. We had a bad. She was bad. Look at that. Did you ever look in there? Yeah, I already got it in. But we have a new we have new brake pads. But you know what? They're like half life, and it's late, and I'm tired, and I don't want to do it. It's not too bad. It's a pain in the ass. These got to come out. They're hard to get back in.
Why don't we try it?
You want to try, right?
I do front brake. But
yeah, these drums are a little bit more pain in the ass, but you could do them. They're not bad.
Okay.
Yeah, what, you got drums on your car?
Video first or no
I'll take a video. I send it to you.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. Well, you gonna do yours? You have drum like this on yours?
Yeah, I have it. Yep.
Oh,
Same thing. Yep.
okay.
Same thing. Yep.
Yeah, they're not too bad.
So sometimes I'm scared. I don't do the back. I do front.
Yeah, the fronts, but you should now and again.
The back is very.
They're a little bit more difficult, but they're not bad. You could do it.
Because sometimes you put it together, a couple parts left. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So, my mother used to.
I gotta take a video, you know.
My mother used to say that to my father. She would say, "Hey, you did a great job, but how come with all the extra bolts and nuts over there?" He goes, "We don't need those." Extra parts. But look, I'm glad you said that, because look, this is not in the right place. Look, see this? Mm-hmm. This has to be right there. Okay. So I have to pull this back off and move it over and put it on. See that? She's good here, but no bueno. No bueno, broski. I got to fix that. I'm glad he came over. See? MakeShiftGarage, man. We got it, brother. Yeah, this is actually a pretty good ton.
Heavy.
Yeah, and we have more leaf springs. He wants to lift it up. I have a whole nother set of 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11. He wants to add 5 more.
5 more?
Make it an even, yeah, make it an even 16. Boom. Bring it up. Big tires. Boom. 1965.
250.
It is a 250.
250.
Yeah, this one too. I did a 250. Yeah.
8 cylinders.
It's got 8 lug?
8.
Yeah.
8.
250. Yeah, this is an 8 cylinder.
8 cylinders.
What is his? A 6 cylinder?
Which one?
Your father's.
6 and 8. They got 2.
Oh, he's got 2 of them.
Two.
A 6 and an 8. Oh,
Yep.
I got you. So really, you know, it's all about getting the springs on and off. They're pretty easy. Yeah, you just gotta yank them.
Yeah.
See how I do that? Then I move it out. Try to get it in there the right way. Look at that. First time it's a little bit pain. Next time, no problem.
No problem.
No problemo. Let's see if I can put my shoe bag on. I'll be good. Oh, there we go.
You gotta use boots.
Yeah, I know. I come from work. And I
The shirt is for work.
know sometimes these are for home. Go on to take them off. Let's see if I try if they fit.
Yeah?
I try them on my feet. Come on.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay, good. Oh, now this is sticking out. Look, I'll make a garage again, bro. What the? Yeah. Okay, let's get this right for once and for all, huh? First I missed this one, then I missed this one. What's going on? All right, look, you got to get them bolted one time. Oh, oh, who's calling you? Your woman? Oh, boy, you're in trouble now. You don't go home in time, bro. You in trouble. Oh, okay, look. I think I got it. Yo, she good, broski.
Let's go now?
She bueno, bro.
Nice.
Woo! Let's get it done. You in trouble? All right, now.
You do both sides or just only
No,
one?
just this one for now.
Oh, okay.
Just for now, one. I mean, will we do both? Maybe. They stopped doing it because it's dangerous, you know?
The tank is behind the seat.
Yeah, they blow up. You get gas on you. Boom. The gasolina. Boom. Juby, no good. No bueno. Muy caliente, broski. Woo! Thank you for stopping by.
See you.
We'll see you later. I give you videos.
Always say I come back and see you work.
Yes.
Which is right or not right.
Okay.
Okay?
Very good. Thank you. What we did do is we bled the brakes. Hey, this is what it's all about. You get out for work, you get out there, you get in the garage, or you go out in the yard or wherever. Look, we're out on plywood, man. You know what I mean? Get it done. Take it apart. Fix it. Get it back out on the road and drive it. So let's get the tire on and call it a day. Because I got to go eat dinner. Hey, it's perfect. Nice high pedal, nice and hard. Hey, you ain't got a power booster, so this is hardcore brakes. So if you like what you see, subscribe to YouTube and follow us on all other platforms. Fix that motor, take it to the track, blow it up, man. We hope to see you at the track soon. See you tomorrow.